Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how you doing today? You guys, it is that time of month again. I am with all of these beautiful women. You guys, these are the beautiful women of Beauty Over 40. Each month we come together and we do a collab and we have different themes, and you know it's the holidays, so you know what we're doing, something festive. And if you want to see how your girl got this beautiful green eye and this popping red lip, you already know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you
Alright, y'all, let's get into this look. So you guys know I do these collabs every month with Beauty Over 40, and guys, make sure you go and check out all the ladies' videos. Their information will be in the description box. And so this month we're doing a green eye and a red lip. It's December, y'all, so you know we had to do something festive, right? So I decided to pick up this palette, well, use this palette I already had from DJ's Unique Boutique, and it's called The Reason. And this is her holiday palette, and y'all, let me show you how gorgeous that palette is. Isn't that beautiful? Like, do you see all those gorgeous greens? I mean, they're just absolutely stunning. So I decided to use this palette for this look. I've already primed my eyes. I've used my Hourglass primer, which you guys know I've been using a lot. And we're just gonna go in, and I want to just do something festive with this green. And you guys know I like green eyeshadow, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring you in, okay? Okay, y'all, you know I'll be looking in the mirror, right? I have a mirror right here. So what I want to do is go in with this shade called Firewood, which is a nice brown shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade first as my transition, and I'm gonna use my Detail Pro Brush from Sonia G, and I'm just gonna like just put that all over the lid lightly, and we're just gonna blend that in, y'all. This holiday season, I know, is a lot different from what we're used to, but I just want to say we just have to still be grateful and thankful for, you know, just God allowing us just to even see another holiday. Even though it might not be the way we traditionally celebrate, I still want us to still remember that we should be thankful and grateful. Because y'all, like I said in my last Wednesday live, it could be a lot worse. We could be having a lot of things going on. And some of us are. But I do feel like, you know, if we focus on being a blessing to someone else, it'll kind of help you get through the hard times a little easier. That's just my thoughts. That's just my opinion. But it works for me. Okay, y'all, so that's what we're gonna do with the eyes, with the transition shade. I just wanted to add something there, right? Okay, now the next shade I'm gonna use, I'm gonna go ahead and do my outer V. And where's my mini booster? And I'm gonna take this shade called Family, which is this shade right here. I feel like this is a nice, beautiful green, like it's a Christmas green. And so I'm gonna go in very lightly because I don't know how pigmented, you know, it is, and I don't want to put too much. I'd rather put a little and build than put too much and I can't take it away. So what you guys got planned for the holidays? I know some people are getting together. I know some people are doing the Zoom type of holiday. You know, we're doing, we're not getting together this year, but what we're doing is we're still going to do our like Secret Santas, and we're going to do a Zoom to open our gifts on Christmas Day. So it is a lot different. Y'all, this is a pretty green. Look at it. It's a lot different than normal, but you know, all my family's here, and you know, that's all that matters. And I'm just grateful for that. Even though we can't be with each other physically, I'm just thankful that everyone's here and they're in good health. Y'all, that's pretty. And it didn't take long to blend that out. Y'all, are you done Christmas shopping? And did you guys shop as much as you normally shop? That's the question I want to know in the comment section. I put myself on a really good budget this year. I did not shop the way I normally shop this year. But I mean, I'm basically done with all my Christmas shopping. But this is pretty, y'all. But I still have a few more items to get. And did you buy yourself something? Did you treat yourself? It's okay to treat yourself to something on Christmas morning. You could be your own little secret Santa. Nothing is wrong with that. All right, y'all. All right, so now the next color, I'm gonna use my, what is this, my Builder 3 brush. And I think I'm gonna go on the lid with Evergreen, with this shade right here. That's Evergreen. Y'all, look at Evergreen. Oh my goodness. And I pat it on. Oh yeah. Now you tell me this don't scream Christmas green. I thought the first color was more of a Christmas green, but no. This one definitely is the Christmas green right here. And I'm just patting it all on my lid. Really simple eye look. You guys know I'm a simple eyeshadow type of girl. I'm a soft glam type of girl. I am gonna build this up a little bit. And I'm bringing it right to the crease line, a little bit above the crease line for me, because you guys know your girl got those hooded lids. So if you have hooded lids, just go above the crease line, your natural crease line a little bit. But yeah, y'all, so what was we talking about? Oh, make sure you buy yourself something for Christmas. Oh, this is so pretty. Buy yourself something, treat yourself. Nothing is wrong with that. And I'm the type of person, I love to give. That's one of the reasons why I love Christmas. I love giving gifts. I really do. And you know what gift I really like to give? What about you guys? I love to give the gift of shopping. I love to give like gift cards, even money. And then that way a person can literally just go and buy whatever it is that they want to buy and enjoy the shopping experience. Because I know for me, I love to shop. That's a gift within itself, just to be able to shop. Oh, y'all, look at this green. Okay, Evergreen. Evergreen ain't playing no games, y'all. Beautiful color. This is perfect for the holidays. But yeah, I like to give the gift of shopping. And when you kind of open your eyes and close your eyes, that green is just popping out. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now I am going to go back in with my mini booster and go back into Family. Which is, right here. And that's just to blend these two colors together. You don't want them, you know, you don't want no line of demarcation. You want them to blend together. Now, right in the inner portion of the eye, I'm going to go in with Gift. Let's go in with Gift, which is this color right here. Can y'all see that? Hold on, let me show you. That's Gift. Just add a little sparkle to this look. So let's see what Gift does. And I'm using my Sonia G flat definer brush. We're just gonna put it right here. I think I'm a wet gift. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna bring it up some. And do the other side. Oh yeah, this gives it a nice little pop right here in the inner portion of the eye. I might not have to wet it. What y'all think? Yeah, I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Let's just see what she can do, okay? Let's wet her and see what she gonna do. Wet. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, she said hello. She came to be seen, y'all. She came to be seen. I just want it in the inner portion because I still want that evergreen to pop too. Did you guys do Zoom for Thanksgiving? I had for my Thanksgiving, I did like a romantic Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm gonna do the same thing for Christmas. It's just gonna be me and my husband, so you know, I feel like 2020 is making you be real creative. So I feel like go ahead and just do something out the box. You might as well. You don't have to follow tradition. This is definitely not a traditional year. So I'm going to do the same thing I did for Thanksgiving. It's going to be a romantic Christmas dinner by candlelight. Y'all, I'm loving this. Okay, y'all, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go put on the rest of my face, clean up under the eye, and then we'll do the lower lash line. How about that? Okay, y'all, I am back. My face is now done. What we're going to do is the lower lash line, and then we're going to pick our red lippy for today. So, just a quick overview. I did use the AJ Crimson foundation in 6.5 as my foundation. I bronzed with my Natasha Denona contour palette, and to give me, I mean, that's what I contour with. And then to bronze, I used the Natasha Denona bronze cheek palette. I used this color right here to give me the glow. And I didn't even put any blush on because I just wanted that bronzy glow type of look. And that's basically it. Now let's get into these eyes. So what I want to do is first, I'm going to take this NYX eyeliner. We're going to see how this works, y'all. And it's a bronze shade. Can y'all see that? It's almost not even showing up. It's right here. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna put this on the inner tear ducts. I mean my lower lash line. Yeah, I'm tripping. Hold on. I want to just add a little pop of something right in there. Because it is a lot of green. Well, this did a little something. Not what I wanted it to do, but it's doing a little something. Okay, what y'all think? It did a little something, But I am gonna go in with Family, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna go and connect the dots, y'all. We want to bring this color in on the lower lash line. But I don't want to go too far over. Yeah, I'm telling you, when you do that, it just ties the whole look together. And the reason why I didn't go all the way in is because I wanted that gold shade to do a little something. What y'all think? I think that pulled that look a little bit together. I'm not doing any mascara today, you guys, because your girl do have on individual lashes done by Amber. I will leave her YouTube channel in the description box. You guys, they're very natural. But I know you guys are always on my case about lashes, so I have some the individuals applied on. So I'm not going to put any mascara on top of them. I feel like I need to add a little bit more right here in the corner. So that is my eye look now. We had to do a red lippy, so I picked the MAC, the 25-year anniversary shade in Viva Glam 1. This is one of my favorite reds. You guys know I'm not a big red girl. I am an orange wearer, but since we're doing red, I wanted to go ahead and do a red that I like. And this is a pretty red on me. Do I look festive? Do I look holiday-ish? I feel like I do. Okay, y'all, that's my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do feel like this is a very glamorous way to do your makeup and have some festive colors. And this eyeshadow, yeah, your girl is feeling this eyeshadow look, like for real. Oh, let me show you my earrings. My earrings, aren't these gorgeous? These are by Dynasty. Very pretty. Very pretty, and they're very light. You would think as big as they are that they would be very heavy, but no, very, very light. All right, y'all, that is the look. Your girl is done with her green eye red lippy for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was fun. I really love doing the collabs with Beauty Over 40. You guys make sure you check out the description box, and all of the girls, their information will be in there. Please go check out their videos, and I will leave links to all the makeup that I have on my face that's available in the links. I will leave them in links, and they are affiliate links. So if you decide you want to pick up any of those things, support your sister, girl. It's okay. And if you don't want to shop like that, I understand that, girl. Shop how you normally shop. And also, one more thing. Tell your girl about your girl, because I am trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year or the end of the month. So let somebody know about your girl. Share the love, honey. Share the love. But that is it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.